2014 BMW X3, and today we're going to be going over replacing the power distribution box that's located in the back of the trunk. The customer tried to use this BMW to jumpstart another vehicle. We're going to be going over how he did it and how to avoid making the same mistake that he did, and kind of just in general, using your BMW to jump another vehicle is a bad idea. The electronics are very fickle to the point where it almost seems like it was designed that way, but I'll leave the speculation up to you. So with the hood popped, we can see our power access located right here. Now what our customer did was he put his positive lead here and he put his negative lead right there. Unfortunately, these are both positives. Your negative lead is actually right here on your frame. So if you have to, for an emergency situation, use your BMW to jumpstart a vehicle, you want to go from your positive lead here and your negative lead here. But as I said previously, in general, with a BMW, do not use them to jumpstart anybody else, or else you're going to have the chance of doing some severe electrical damage. I've seen people doing the valve cover gaskets on these, and they accidentally arc it out to this bar right here, and they end up blowing that main fuse in the back in the power distribution box. But wait for this truck to pass. The reason why we're doing this outside is because this vehicle is completely immobilized. It will not start, and checking the codes, there's like 20 codes in there and they're just crazy. So on the X3 models in your trunk, you'll see our power distribution box located right here. It's fairly easy to access, and here we have our new one that we're going to be installing. $10mm for the positive, a 13mm, and under this cover another 13mm. And with your wires all disconnected, we're going to remove it from the battery bracket. To do that, there's these pieces of metal right here on both sides, and you'll notice that there's a small little hook. What you need to do is reach down on both sides with a flathead screwdriver and pull those out, like so. And then pull up and pull up. Go ahead and remove the wires. Install your new one. Exactly as it was removed. Put down those 13mm, and it looks like I actually did not need to loosen the 10mm right there, but if you loosen it like I did, just make sure you put that back down. And And close your covers, making sure that they lock securely in place. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Swapping these things out is not difficult, but having it go bad is a huge issue, and BMWs, they do it a lot. I'm not really too sure why they're designed that way, but I don't really have control over how BMW designs things. And that's pretty much all there is to replacing your power distribution block. This is our old one. If that fixes your issue, awesome. If not, unfortunately, you've probably got some bigger issues, and 9 times out of 10, you're probably gonna have to take it to BMW to have them take a look at it. Especially if you're trying to jump a vehicle, or if the power gets grounded out. These computers up there on the right side of the engine, they like to blow. And you can install them, but they need to be reprogrammed, and I don't know of anybody but BMW that can do that. There might be a couple like online places that can do that, but none that I am aware of. But if this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.